Guys, it's literally so easy to make UGC content exactly like this.
Okay, if you want to smell incredibly expensive, this is the only bottle you actually need. It's literally liquid gold in a bottle. The amount of compliments I get is actually insane. Seriously, Baccarat Rouge 540 Extrat is worth every single penny. Go get it.
Like, look at the detail in the bottle and this one.
Guys, I fear this might be the best perfume I've bought this year. Why does it smell this good? It smells clean, expensive, and hot at the same time.
Now, you're probably wondering why do you want to do this, but realistically this is for TikTok shop, TikTok products, anything you sell, businesses, apps. The standard of UGC content that we're at is absolutely insane, so you can make a lot of money from this just by sitting in your bedroom doing nothing and creating UGC content every day. Now, you do need to generate images like this, which I will leave the prompts down below in the description to get the real skin texture like images. And like, let me show you another one. And like this, as you can see, look how clear and clean this is. Like the detail of where we are at with image generation. And now once you have your base image, everything becomes much more easier. So what I use is meeown.ai. You literally, all you have to do is put your image of the person in and you just put your product. So for example, let's take this as the product. Then what you will do is you will just click write with AI. And now what this is going to do, it's going to give you a script for Dance 2 without you doing anything at all, with cutscenes, details. Here we go, look. So UGC video concept, a casual high energy fragrance review filmed on an iPhone with natural indoor lighting. The creator matching image one has a warm olive skin tone, so it's analysed the skin texture and everything. Then it's saying from image 2, which is the bottle. Now, the most important part is it's going to do cutscenes for you. So handheld selfie style shot of the creator, image 1, smiling warmly at the camera in its naturally lit room. Then it gives the speech. Okay, I finally understand the hype around this scent. Now, why it gives you it here is because you can actually change the text. This is very important because you must read the prompt. Sometimes you might want it to say something else, but this gives you it written out already, so you can just change it instantly. And remember, the main thing people are using this for right now is TikTok shop, the product ads. You literally get a product, generate your image, put it in here, start posting every single day, and you will see results. So look, 3 to 6 seconds, shaky, authentic close-up of the creator's hands holding the red gold bottle, rotating slightly to catch the room's soft light. And look, it's got the exact name of the bottle. Now, the difficult thing people find is actually prompting. So this saves you all the ag of doing that, and you just literally click write with AI. Now, 69 seconds, cut back to the creator spraying the fragrance onto a neck collarbone, reacting with a genuine smile of satisfaction. 9 to 12 seconds, medium shot of the creator, blah, blah, blah. And you can do a product demo, you can do a testimonial, you can do an unboxing, a get ready with me. So get ready with me for UGC content right now is very, very popular. So the user will actually, the AI will hold the item up, try it on and wear it around. As real as it can get. Then all you do is choose your settings here. I like to go with 1080p, but it is costly, I'm not going to lie. So for This we always do 720. If you're testing like 5 a day or something, and this is the results that you will get.
Okay, if you want to smell incredibly expensive, this is the only bottle you actually need. It's literally liquid gold in a bottle. The amount of compliments I get is actually insane. Seriously, Baccarat Rouge 540 Extrat is worth every single penny. Go get it.
Like, it's insane, guys. It's absolutely insane. We've never been in a moment of time where you can do this. You don't have to be a content creator. You don't have to know knowledge on how graphic design works. Let me just play this one too.
Guys, I fear this might be the best perfume I've bought this year. Why does it smell this good? It smells clean, expensive, and hot at the same time.
You literally do not have to do anything anymore. You don't have to leave your bedroom. You don't have to shoot content. If you're a girl, if you're a boy, it does not matter. Whatever product you are trying to sell, use AI, create a model, put your product into here and start creating ads, creatives and posting on TikTok, TikTok Shop, Instagram, and you will eventually make money from this. It's very, very simple. Find a winning product, screenshot, use the prompt pack that I've put below to get your generation of this real type looking skin and start posting. With AI, this will only last another 6 months, I'd say, until people start thinking everything is AI. And that is the reason why TikTok Shop, the live, is coming in, because what's going to happen is people are going to start noticing this, that everything is fake. When you talk to someone, you might realize they start saying, oh, is that AI? Is that AI? And this is the turning point of when people will start to realize and think everything online is AI. This is where live interactions, TikTok Shop Live, will start producing better results. But for now and the next 6 months to 1 year, this is a golden opportunity to start a side hustle, do it on the side, create a business, boost your business, do all the things that you would normally have to pay $500, pounds for. To get this type of video would cost finding the influencer, getting the influencer to post, paying the influencer to post, sending the influencer the product, editing the video, and now you can just type in the script and get the video delivered to you within 5 minutes. And if something goes wrong, it doesn't look right, you can just regenerate it and post again and post again. It's so simple, guys. Just go to meeown.ai/product ads. It's been made to be as easy as possible. You can even type in your own prompts if you really want to. It's so, so easy. Trust me. If you want to learn more, join my school and I'll show you everything in full detail, and let me know if you have any questions.